In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tactiq. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to install yourself this extension over here, which is the Tactiq extension. You can get it on the Chrome Web Store. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to basically sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet, either with your email and password or with Google, which is what I used because I think it's the quickest. And then you'll have to click on View over here, which will basically take you to this website called app.tactiq.io. Now, in here is where the main stuff is going to be happening if you want to actually use Tactiq. But of course, this is also available for Google Meet, Zoom, Teams, and I think some other services where you can basically make video calls as well. And I have separate tutorials for how to use Tactiq on all those tools on my channel, so you can just search them up. But if you're wondering how to actually use this dashboard over here, this interface on their website, this is basically what you want to see. Now, here, the first thing you have to know is that My Meetings is going to be your basically default home screen. What's going to be happening in over here is basically all your meetings are going to be in here, they're going to be processed, and the transcripts are going to be ready. So let's just, for example, go step by step. Over here, you can go to the search box, and inside the search box, you can search your meetings. You can search titles, content, participants, or you can basically apply filters by date, tags, or meeting type. So, of course, here you can filter through everything, look for whatever you're searching for, and find it very easily and quickly. Now, My Meetings is where all your meetings are going to be, as I said, and there's a search bar up top here as well. And then you have the shared with me, so in case you are collaborating with somebody and they share their meeting, one of their transcripts, for example, with you, you're going to be able to see them over here on this screen. Then you have the different AI tools over here, where basically you have the emails, funny prompting, action items, HR, etc. And you can also create your own kits if you want to. And then over here, you of course have the account and settings, where you can change everything regarding your team, the integrations, the billing, and the settings. Here you have the archive, in case you have archived something. Here, where it says reporting, basically you can see all your different reports, and you can even save them as a CSV file. Here you can also get free meetings, so as you can see over here, whenever you basically invite your friends, you can get free meetings in case you are on the free plan. You can also set different workflows in here on this tab, and then down here at the bottom is where your AI chat is, and you can add in your meetings to begin, and you can basically just chat about the meetings with their AI. This is basically the main thing. And over here, of course, you can also add new spaces in case that's something you're interested in. Now, let's get up here, because the main things, probably the main reason for this, you're going to be using Tactiq, is to create transcripts of your meetings or your basically audio or whatever you're doing. So just come over here to My Meetings and click on Upload Transcript or Recording, and then just drag and drop it over here, or choose the file by clicking over here, give it a name, give it a meeting start time if you want to, and then you can also give it a transcription language or leave it on auto detect. Then click on upload, it's going to get uploaded in here, it's going to get processed, and this is what you're going to get. So here I have just a simple tutorial. As you can see, it's called tutorial and it's from me, so I can of course add it to a space, email it, copy the link, share it, or archive it. And if you actually click on that specific basically transcript, you can go down here and you can see basically the detailed transcript of that very specific basically video or transcript. Okay, so here, as you can see, this was just a quick tutorial. There's nothing long to it basically, but it does a very good job in actually making the transcript. Okay, so of course here you can add all the different things as I told you over here. You can see the different speaker stats, you can add different labels, you can see the AI chat history, you can add comments, you can add notes, you can do whatever you want, okay? And this is how you basically use it. You just upload and then wait for it to process, and then you'll be able to see the transcripts down here. You can of course also change them, remove blocks, add comments, highlight, call out, make questions, action items, decisions, etc. So this is completely up to you, but this is essentially how you can use Tactiq. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.